In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Finviz for day trading. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to finviz.com or elite.finviz.com. You want to create an account or sign in, and once you do that, you are in here. Now, to actually use Finviz for day trading, you can't actually day trade physically on Finviz, but you can use it for chart analysis, for screening, for looking at the news, at the Forex, crypto, using it for backtesting, etc. So it's a great tool for, as you can see over here, you can do your own backtests, you can search for crypto, you can analyze different crypto, you can do the same for Forex and futures over here. You can see different charts, and then you can, of course, even customize drawn charts, look at what you're trying to look at, analyze it, see how it's going, etc. And then based on decisions you can make over here, and based on the decisions you make on these charts, on the screener, via the news, etc., you can then go ahead and register on another platform where you can then start day trading based on the data available to you when you are looking at Finviz over here, and basically the functions they are offering and different tools they are offering for you to make your life easier when trading daily. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.